我家的太后, which is my mom, is cooking today. She is making a basic steamed fish. The ingredients as listed on the screen. Measurement just agak-agak. The fish already cleaned by the fishmonger. Sumbat some ginger and garlic into the fish. Coat the fish with oil. Fill up the steamer with water. Put the fish in and steam for 8 minutes. Remove excess water from the fish. Cover the fish with garlic, ginger, and chili padi. Drizzle in some soy sauce. Put fish back into steamer and steam for 7 minutes. Garnish with coriander. And it's done. Thank you for watching.